Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akilan from Akilan Tech, and most of the people will be buying food from online. Either it may be from Zomato or even the Swiggy. But did you ever got in doubt how this Zomato and Swiggy are giving so much discounts on the foods that we are buying? And what is the source of the income of this Zomato and Swiggy apps? So want to know all these answers? Then watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Well, before going into a video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest and upcoming tech videos in my YouTube channel. Well, let's dive into the topic. In India, the food delivery companies are growing rapidly in the recent times. See, before most of the people used to cook food at home, but as the corporate life started in the recent times, then they have no time to cook the food. So they are booking the food from the online, either it may be Zomato or Swiggy. Before, we used to have so many food delivering apps like the Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats and even the Food Panda. But recently, Zomato also purchased Uber Eats. So now there are only two big companies in the food delivery sector. One is Zomato and the other is Swiggy. After giving these many discounts on the foods that we are ordering in Swiggy and Zomato, then also they are getting money in return. So how do they get money? Because you might be thinking they will be in loss after giving this much discounts on the foods that we are ordering. Well, it's not right because they are having more sectors to get money. For example, if you visit a restaurant, there your favorite food might be around 100 rupees. But when you see that same food item in the Zomato or Swiggy app or any other food delivery apps, then there will be slight increase in the price. It might be around 110 rupees or even at 120 rupees. So there is a slight increase around 10 rupees to 20 rupees on the food items that we are buying when we compare to the restaurant and to the food delivery app. On this 120 rupees, the food delivery apps will provide you a discount around 20% to 30%. So how do they provide this discount? These food delivery apps will be tied up with the restaurants. When they tie up with the restaurants, they come to a deal. See, for example, on this 100 rupees food item, the restaurant will be selling at 80 rupees to the Swiggy or Zomato delivery boy. So with this, they will be getting even 20 rupees. So the restaurant will be selling that food item only at 80 rupees to the food delivery boy. So you might be thinking, Akilan, but the restaurants will be on the losing side. Well, it's not right because when a visitor visits the restaurants have to pay extra money. It might be for the waiter charges or even for the air conditioner or even for the seating arrangement in that particular restaurant. So when the user orders the food from online, then these all charges will be reduced for the restaurant owner. All the restaurants will show interest in registering in this Swiggy and Zomato app. So each and every restaurant will have an interest to show their restaurant name in these apps at the top place. So for this, they pay extra money to the Swiggy and Zomato. So in this case also, the Swiggy and Zomato app will get extra income from the extra money that is paid by the restaurants to showcase their name in the top position when the users search for a particular food item. And when the users also search for a particular food items, in certain point of time, you might be getting the ads of the restaurant name. So with this also, the Zomato and Swiggy will get extra income by these advertisements that is shown to the users. And one of the major source of income for these Swiggy and Zomato apps are, these apps will have the data that is searched by the users. See, for example, if you are a person living in Hyderabad, then what is famous in Hyderabad? Of course, biryani. But every person will not order biryani. It might be different based on the area that you are living in the Hyderabad. So, in a particular place of Hyderabad, when a person searches for the food item that he wants, so this data will be in the servers of the Swiggy and Zomato app. This data will be very crucial for the restaurants because with this data, the restaurant owners can know the interest of the people and they can prepare that food so that the restaurants will supply the food that is demanded by the people in a particular area. So the Zomato and Swiggy apps will charge extra money for selling this data to the particular restaurant. So with this also, the Zomato and Swiggy apps will get extra income. But this all extra money, the Swiggy and Zomato apps will invest in the maintenance of the app on your mobile phone and for storing the data in the data servers and also for the R&D team, that is research and development. And this all process will be going like a loop. So there is no end to this process. So by this, I think you got an idea of how these Zomato and Swiggy apps will give you the extra discounts and what is the main source of their income. If you like this video, drop us a like down below and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's it for me today. See you next time.